1-year registration, 3-year registration, and a 5-year registration package. So it depends on how long you want to register for. So we have under 16 meters and under 24 meters. So the price is slightly different. I'm sure other flats are the same. So my recommendation is if you do not want to go through the paperwork every year, it's best to do the 3-year or even 5 years. Some people find that 5 years is a bit too long because I may not keep the boat for 5 years and we sell it and all that. But even if you sell the boat at year, let's say you register for 5 years and you sell it at year 3.5, so you still have 1.5 years of registration with us, right? Not to worry, you can actually sell the balance 1.5 years. You can package it when you sell the boat and say that this boat is still good for another 1.5 years in Cook Island. All they need is just to do a transfer of ownership, and the new owner will be able to continue with that for another 1.5 years. So it's actually pretty cost effective. It can actually be a good selling point that the boat's already registered. All you need to do is just do the change of ownership, and it's just a piece of paper to be signed on by between the buyer and the seller. Of course, we need to have the usual, the bill of sale to prove that the boat is now transferred to this new person. And if the new person is a natural person, is an individual, then just need his passport and address proof, and then that form, and then we are done. Pay the money, of course, and then we are done. But if it's a corporation, same thing. We will need to have the company documents, and then probably a board resolution to confirm that who can sign the particular form and all that. But like I said, come to us and we'll help you. We'll guide you through. We'll give you templates, and we'll guide you through over the phone, or even do it for you. If you give us all the documents, we can actually help you complete as much as possible, and then send it back to you for review, and then the parties can sign off.